Hydrogen fluoride, or hydrofluoric acid when dissolved in water, is one of the nastiest, but also most useful, compounds known to chemistry. Hydrofluoric acid is related to the more common hydrochloric acid found in our stomachs. You've probably heard of it via Breaking Bad, when Walter White tells Jesse Pinkman to use hydrofluoric acid to dissolve a corpse. That's not totally plausible, but HF is fearsome in its own way. Early chemists who worked with hydrogen fluoride did so because they were trying to isolate fluorine, one of the most reactive elements. HF can penetrate skin because it's miscible with both water and fat. The hydrogen-fluorine bond is so strong that the molecule stays intact until it reaches deep tissue. There, it dissociates, producing hydrogen ions, also known as acid, and highly reactive free fluoride ions. These fluoride ions wreak havoc on tissues, turning them into viscous goo. They also bind with calcium and other positively charged ions. That causes your nerves to release potassium ions, which you feel as horrible pain. But in an industrial setting with all the proper equipment and safety precautions in place, HF is extremely useful. It's a key ingredient for imparting fluorine atoms into organic molecules, making things like Teflon, refrigerants, and pharmaceuticals. And because it can dissolve glass, it's used to etch the patterns onto silicon wafers, turning them into the chips inside the electronic devices we know and love. So, despite its dangers, without hydrogen fluoride we wouldn't have much of our modern tech. And also, one of the most memorable scenes on TV.
So there's that.